This is literally the soft glam for you if you have brown eyes. It all just pairs well together so beautifully, makes the eyes pop, lips have their own moment, the cheeks, everything. Oh, so beautiful. This is a makeup look you're gonna get lots of compliments on. So if you want to see how I got this look, continue watching. And also thank you so much for being here. I didn't mean to scare you, but this is what we're starting with. Let's just get into it. I already prepped my skin. I started with this calming mist. I like to put a facial mist on my face first because it just makes me feel cool. And then I went with this Belief moisturizer. I actually love this moisturizer. It's one of my top 5s that I've ever tried. Although I do have a little beef with this brand. Like 3 years ago, I worked with them, contract signed, everything. And after I submitted the content, they approved and never paid me. So have beef with them, but the Belief moisturizer and products are so good that despite the beef, I still use their products. I actually tried this for the first time. It's like a SPF color correcting serum, I guess. And it also is tinted, which was very shocking to me. It caught me off guard, but I really like it. I mean, I have it on right now. I don't really feel like I have any product on my face. So that's a good sign. I do definitely have to use this a few more times to see if I recommend it or not, but so far so good. And then I went with this tinted volume and conditioning lips from the same brand. Again, first time trying it. It's a little tinted, it's not too dramatic, but it's SPF, so I really like that part. Of course, gotta go in with my deodorant. This is honestly my favorite deodorant ever. It smells so good. It smells like clean girl vanilla vibes, so we love that. And this is from the brand Hume, and it's like all body deodorant, really good. Okay, I just did my brows. I look crazy. The eyes are what's gonna make it a soft glam. I'm gonna do a soft spicy glam. I'm feeling glitter, so I'm gonna use these Denise Myricks color fix sticks. They're so gorgeous and I can't stop using it, so I feel like these are perfect for soft glam. If you're a beginner, like they have 2 shades here that you can just work with those, or you can mix and match. So going in with this color, this is the 6 Celeste. So I'm putting it, let me move you guys closer so you can see. So I'm putting it on the outside right here, and then with the brush that I already have like products from before, I'm just gonna blend like this. I'm not gonna take it all the way up here, but just a subtle blend just to create the dimension and warmth of the eyes. And I really like this because it's not creating like insane drama, but it's there, you can see it. Denise Myricks, she was cooking in the lab, that's all I know. And then we're doing the same thing here. This color, this is the one that was on the other side. This is 3 Duo. Put it right here. Oh wow, okay, this is 3, so just gonna go on top in the middle, like right here, and then we're gonna blend it in just a second and just softening the edges and blending it all together. I usually like to do primer before my eyes, but I totally forgot, so I'm gonna quickly put this Yummy Skin Tint from Denise Myricks, and this works amazing as a primer. Just gives you that beautiful glow, and that's exactly what I want in my soft glam. I don't like the smell, honestly. Like I feel like the smell is a little bit too strong. It smells like bar soap. Taking my bronzer and just buffing the edges out. And I like to take my bronzer all the way right here to the bridge. And for mascara, I'm using this mascara from L'Oreal. It is really good, voluminous mascara, but it takes me way too long to do my mascara, so I'll be right back. This is honestly my favorite foundation in the world. I don't know why people don't talk about this. It's from Pores, and I'm in the shade Dune 65WO. It is so beautiful, and every single time I wear it, I get so many compliments, and I recommend. Like honestly, it's not even sponsored. It literally looks like skin, but better, and it is also buildable, so it's perfect if you like it more heavier coverage. I personally prefer a light to medium coverage, because I'm just in that era, you know. And for soft glam, the base makeup needs to make up. Like that is what makes it look glowy and nice. And then for the eyes, you don't do like any harsh colors. I feel like when you do harsh colors, that's when the makeup is no longer soft glam and it's more like a serious glam. Look at how gorgeous this foundation is, and I have no filter on, so that's saying a lot because I want a very bronzy look. And then I'm just gonna quickly use this Milk Makeup contour stick, but I like to place this where I would usually bronze because I just like it better. Makeup is all about self-expression, but of course there's right ways and wrong ways of doing things. Okay, I always push my bronzer, contour, whatever it is, into my skin. I sometimes wear this contour stick alone on its own whenever I just, you know, do a no makeup look, just for a little extra sculpting, and it looks really nice and natural. It looks like skin but better. I'm gonna go in with this bronzer from Fenty Beauty, which is a bronzer stick, and it's in the shade Truffle 4. It is so pretty. I know a lot of people don't like this bronzer because they think it dries down too fast. I honestly think it's all about your skin prep. If your skin is prepped nicely, it shouldn't be an issue. And if it is an issue, just spray your face with a setting mist, a hydrating setting mist, and it should be fine. Hopefully it's fine. I'm using this Urban Decay Naked eyeshadow stick. I just saw that I had it here, so let me try to play around with it and see what we can do. I'm gonna create a warm shadow here. I'm gonna put the shadow stick on the bottom as well. I'm gonna blend it out, my waterline. And I don't want to go in with black liner because I want it to be very soft. Blend it out with this. So it's like there, but it's not really there. Let's put on concealer, and this is YSL Beauty Concealer. One of the concealer is my shade. It's a little bit lighter, I'm lying. And the other one is a little bit on the peachy side, and that's because I like to color correct. And this Maybelline concealer, I am just putting it all the other places. I am gonna just put a little bit right here too. Blend. And I feel like this type of soft glam really makes your eyes pop, which I love. Yeah, this literally got everywhere. I don't know why I shook it. I guess it was like very watery consistency. Kind of going for this, and I'm gonna take it all the way underneath the eyes and up to my temples with this blush from CoverGirl. This is Nude Flush, just for like a little bit more of a pinky tone. Let's blend. So for powder, setting with Kosas powder first. This is so good and it brightens your under eye. Okay, just set my makeup also with the NARS powder. It's really good. And I just, you know, highlighted my face with Becca Smashbox. And now time for blush. I'm gonna try this Kosas blush in the shade Blush is Life. Ooh, okay, wow, it's pigmented. Okay, setting with the Makeup by Mario setting spray. Okay, I just quickly went ahead and changed and did my hair the best I could. I definitely didn't want to style my curly hair today, like use heat, because it's too hot, and every time I straighten it, it's gonna turn into a poof ball, so no. This is the jewelry, and now let's do the lip combo. For the lip combo, I'm gonna switch it up a little, guys. I use this Huda Beauty in the shade Rich Brown. Ooh, okay. I put it upside down because that's what she suggested, since I was like complaining about how it's drying, and then I saw a video that you're actually supposed to put this upside down, and I did, and it's actually looking and working a lot better. Let me stop talking so I don't mess up. Going in with this Jones Road in the shade, I honestly don't even know. It's the one that looks purpley. This Makeup by Mario, the end of it, I really like when lip liners come with this. and blending it out. It's really important to blend it out because I'm not really gonna go with lipstick, and when you blend it out, everything just looks so much better. Last time I used this, it really lasted long. It does have a tingling sensation, which I totally forgot about because I was not in the mood for that. I just went and switched over to this lip gloss, and I really like this one better for this type of look. Nice. I feel like the lips and the eyes, everything just complements each other, and this is literally the type of soft glam I was in the mood for, and I think that just goes with brown eyes so well. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. If you did enjoy this video and liked what you saw, please do subscribe. It really does mean the world to me. You have no idea. Like this video, leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys next time. Stay safe. I love you so much. Bye. I'll see you guys next time.